Welcome back, everyone. Lenovo has launched the 100P Smart Projector in the Chinese market, emphasizing its exceptional brightness, considering its price range and its unique 360-degree flexible pan-tilt design. The Lenovo 100P's 360-degree pan-tilt capability, which offers a multitude of placement alternatives and does away with the necessity for an additional projector stand, is its most notable feature. The 100P's ultra-short throw ratio of 1.0 to 1, which allows for the projection of a 100-inch screen at a distance of only 2.2 meters, is one of its primary technical features. This makes it suitable for smaller spaces while still delivering a large and immersive viewing experience. The projector utilizes a 5th-generation sealed optical engine, delivering 570 lumens of brightness, which is approximately equivalent to 1,300 lumens. This high brightness level, combined with a high transmission all-glass lens, enhances optical efficiency by over 60%, ensuring vivid color reproduction and clarity. The Lenovo 100P features a true 1080p physical resolution and supports 4K HDR10 high dynamic decoding. In terms of smart features, the Lenovo 100P offers automatic screen entry, full automatic correction, and full automatic focusing for an effortless setup. It also includes intelligent obstacle avoidance and screen size matching for added convenience. The projector is powered by a HiSilicon 352 processor, supported by 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, ensuring smooth operation while running various applications or streaming content. The Lenovo 100P boasts an IP5X dust resistance rating, protecting it from dust buildup. It runs on Lenovo's ZUE system, providing a user-friendly interface with a 6-second ad-free startup and a built-in intelligent voice assistant. For heat dissipation, the projector employs metal pipe technology, maintaining low noise levels. Audio performance is another highlight, with the Lenovo 100P featuring 25 watts full-range speakers tuned by golden ears and a large sound chamber for rich, theater-grade sound. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 for smooth streaming and Bluetooth 5.0 for connecting external devices. Additionally, the projector offers a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a 3.5mm audio jack for versatile connection possibilities. The design of the Lenovo 100P is compact and lightweight, weighing approximately 2.2 kilos. The Lenovo 100P, which retails for about $197, is a very attractive bundle for individuals looking for a feature-rich and adaptable projector for casual gaming or leisure. The Lenovo 100P is an appealing choice for a variety of consumers, including movie buffs and gamers searching for a premium projection experience without going over budget, thanks to its affordable price. All things considered, the Lenovo 100P Smart Projector blends cutting-edge functionality, excellent performance, and a versatile design to make it a competitive option in the smart projector market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.